Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Most. Today I'm going to teach you a few more important functions in strings. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. First of all, suppose that I have this string which is just a sentence, and I have here a few functions that I want you to learn, and they are very important. You will probably use them a lot. So I'm gonna first use the console log to display any result we have. And the first function is called car@, which is sentence. First let's call it sentence.car@, which is basically going to return a specific character at a specific index. So for example, if I pass here 7, if I 7 run, what I'm gonna get is n. Why? Because it returns character located at index 7. And if we count here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So n here, this n, is located at index 7. So the character at will return the character located at that index that you are going to pass to this function. So let's move on to another function, which is called repeat, which is going to just repeat a specific string as many times as you want, depending upon the number that you are going to pass. So if I pass here 2, what I'm going to get is that I'm going to get 2 sentences or 2 strings of the same string that I already have. So I'm going to get this, hi, blah, 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 and then another hi, blah, 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 twice. If I pass here 3, I'm going to get it 3 times. As you can see, 3. If I pass 5, I'm going to get it 5 times. So this is very useful in case you want to repeat a specific string many times. You don't have to copy and paste. You don't have to go all of this process. You can just repeat it and it will do the job for you. Another function is called trim, which is going to remove the white spaces at the beginning and the end of a string. So if I have here, let's say, spaces, and if I use the trim, I'm gonna get no spaces. But if I just print the sentence without the trim, I am going to get here white space. So the trim is important. This trim function is important in case you are validating the user. Maybe the user types some space at the beginning or at the end in the username or the password fields, and you want to remove these white spaces, then at that point you would use the trim function. So these are 4 other important functions in strings, and you will probably use them a lot. My recommendation is that you practice these functions, create your own string, and play around with them so that you understand them much better. So that's it for this tutorial. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe so that you get notified for other future videos. And also check the description below because I have created a free ebook on how to make money online coding. This is Most. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.